The BJP's passion for identity politics has set off communal polarization between the mainly Christian Kuki tribes people and the predominantly Hindu Meeti majority in India's northern eastern state of Manipur. The government in Manipur has said that at least 98 people have been killed and 310 others injured in the ethnic violence in the state in the last 1 month. A statement issued by the Manipur Chief Minister's office said total of 37,450 people are in 272 relief camps at present. In all, 4,014 cases of arson have been reported since the violence broke out in the state on May 3rd. The statement said over the last 1 month, the state police have registered 3,734 cases and arrested 65 people for their involvement in the violence. It is to mention here that clashes broke out on May 3rd after a tribal solidarity march was organized in the Hill district to protest against the Meeti community's demand for scheduled tribe status. Meetis account for about 53% of Manipur's population and live mostly in the Imphal Valley. Tribal Nagas and Kukis constitute another 40% of the population and reside in the Hill district. Manipur is truly a fractured state now, with the conflict taking place amongst the three ethnic groups every now and then. In order to live together again as good neighbors, every right-thinking individual is in the state should work together healing the wounds from the recent conflict.